about communication in making data science project. So communication must be always constant. It is constant is because we have to open our minds. We have to open our table for negotiations, for discussions of what's going to be the best thing to do. So, for example, you are just done with your preparatory analysis of your data. What you have to do next is that you're going to present to the marketing or to any other team within a company that asks you to do this particular analysis of what would be the logical findings that they can take out of your analysis. But of course, you have to bear in mind that before making your analysis, you have to take note of the goal that a certain department of your company has given to you. But as a data scientist, you have to be conversant of the findings that you have derived from the data given to you. In so many cases, the first goal given to you by a certain department may not be the most important thing that you can derive from your data. So there are actually a lot of things you can mine from a certain data set. So as a data scientist, you have to be flexible of the things that you're going to do. And when I say flexible, you also have to be open to discussions. You have to be open to more opinions from the different key persons in the company, from your manager, from the marketing specialist, for example. So these persons are the key to having in-depth analysis of the data.
Do you want to know more about this channel? Just click these cards. We do have a lot of free data science courses for free like Machine Learning Essentials, Deep Learning Mathematics, and a lot more. Here, you can always learn an upskill for free.